Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these strawberry and cream cupcakes. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place all of your ingredients for the cupcakes. And we're doing this because I'm using the all-in-one method rather than the creaming method for this on this occasion, just for speed and convenience, and just to show you that you don't need to do the creaming method when you've got the all-in-one method. I know it's not the most popular, but it does work in a pinch if you're for this recipe or this sort of recipe like me. Then you can go ahead and mix it all together for around 1.5 to 2 minutes, or until everything is fully combined and incorporated, and it should be a very smooth mixture and it should be fine. You can then go ahead and fill your cupcake cases 2/3 or 3/4 of the way full, and do one at a time. I accidentally dropped some of my batter, so I lost 2 cupcakes, but feel free to fill them and bake them up. It will make no difference to the recipe. The recipe is for 12. While your cakes are baking, you can go ahead and make the cream topping. So just place your cream into a bowl along with the sugar and ice and vanilla, then whisk until you reach stiff peaks, being careful not to take it too much further as it will be quite granular in the mouthfeel. Once your cupcakes are baked and fully cooled, you can then go ahead and core the centre out of each cupcake, and as you can tell, you want to go quite deep in there. Then repeat the process for all of your cupcakes. As you can tell, I lost another cupcake because I'm clumsy and I dropped one. Once you've got all the holes cut out, you can then go ahead and fill them with some strawberry jam. I'm using a homemade strawberry jam which has got vanilla included in it, but feel free to use a store-bought if that's what you've got. Then pipe your cream on top using whichever nozzle you'd like. I went with an open star, but feel free to use whatever works best for yourself. And repeat the process until you have piped on top of all of your cupcakes. You can then go ahead and top each cupcake with a generous sized strawberry. I went with quite a large one which worked really well. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.